Yo, 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 yo. Yo, yo, yo. Top of the morning, one Javian. One Javian. I pray, bad bro. I pray. Uh, one Javian to bombard. One Javian. One Javian. Why all the stuff went over here? One Javian, top of the morning. Ready for take some money from goal, you mean? Live and direct, bad bro. Live and direct. Live and direct. One bomb not Javian. Top of the morning. Alright, we can see what going in a gold there now. Gold. Alright, boom, boom. Alright, goldy. Alright, okay, so what going now? H4. That's what it is. H4. Alright, H4, what we got right here? Alright, we got support. First things first, we got support. Major support. So this was a good continuation, bro. Nice continuation H4. And we got resistance right here. Oh, this kind of still has like 2 more hours to close though, so let's see. But if it closed bearish, like that's a resistance. So let's see on the 1 hour. Let's see if we can fix this. So right here we have support, resistance. I'm gonna use this one because this one comes first. 30-minute. We have this. All right, so that looked good. We have some support right here. So just like that, we have the range. So have a nice one. Let's see. We got nice range on the sell side. Good morning. Hey, Deco, morning, bro. What's up, bro? Morning, bro. Morning, bro. So this is range we're working with. In here, it's like, at the moment, like in here, it's kind of like tough. It's not a good range on the inside. I mean, the range, it's an 80 pip range, but the candles are too big. Candles are too big for this range. And then you got wick. You need a candle to close with a body right here. And the 50-minute might look more messy, but I would stick to the 30-minute right now. See what happened. You want to see a nice candle close with a body below this range. One Addy YP, what's up, bro? I'm good, bro. Like, late start. Like, gotta get the coffee going, bro. But right now, like, gold is just like, it's in an 80 pip range right now. Candles are super big, bro. Like, candles are super big. If you can get a close with a body below here, like, that would be good. This is a nice range. Or on the upside, you know, whatever comes first. You ready. Just need that body closure. Bro. Let's see. Alright, so in the meantime, let's look at some swing setup. Let's check out some swing setups real quick. First thing first, news. What time is it? All right, news. We ain't gotta worry about news until like, yeah, 2 p.m. Like, yeah, news all the way out. 80 Swiss. Let's see. Let's see what we got on this one. All right, so 80 Swiss, first thing first. 80 Swiss Lati. Morning. Let's go. Brother, can you share, bro? All right, bro. Actually, I got a thing. I'm gonna put in the chat, bro. I got a referral code, bro. I'm gonna hook you up with Xness. I'm gonna give you a code though, bro. I'm gonna log in right now. I'm gonna log in my broker right now and send you my personal referral link, bro. But 86, bro, like 86 can get a nice pullback right now. That would be dope, bro. Nice pullback on 86 right now, because if you check the H4, like, you know, it was coming down, like, you know, it made resistance, you know, and then it broke. So, you know, 86 is looking fire, bro. You just need like a nice little pullback. Maybe we could target this level down here, some support. So let's see what happened on 80 Swiss. See what happened on 80 Swiss. I think I'm gonna get one for the challenge too, bro, because people ask me a lot, so might as well. Yeah, I just shared my broker, bro. All right, will 80 Swiss pull back? Because if 80 Swiss can do a nice little pullback, bro, like, could do something like this, and it's like, you know, target this crazy level down here. It's a simple trade. No liquidity, no problem. Like just a nice pullback. Shouldn't be breaking this level up here. If it comes back like, you know, on the inside, then like close like 50%. So it's not a bad idea on the 80s. It just needs like a proper pullback because it just broke out. So that's the first thing. First thing this morning. First thing. Let's see Goldie. See Goldie real quick. Yeah, gold is in a spot right now where it's like, yeah, it's in a spot right now. The candles are looking kind of crazy in this range. Up, down, like, you know. We got 30 minutes until London Open. You're welcome, bro. 30 minutes until London Open, so let's see. Like, ideally, I'd want to see like a candle break with a body, like somewhere in here. Maybe we could get some sales with momentum. But at the moment, inside this range, it's kind of tricky. As you look at the price action, like the candles are not looking like, you know, like it's not looking chill, like mid candle. Like these are some like huge candles. If you check the 30-minute time frame, like these candles are like, see how many pips. Like one candle, like 60 pip, you know, like side by side, like it's crazy. Each candle like 60, 70 pips, like that should be the whole move, you know. So you got to be super careful right now with gold. Super volatile. So I want to see like a break and close. Not looking for buys. Yeah, I mean I will look for buys too if it can close above, like, let's see the H1. Because with volume like this, maybe we could see different pattern. Maybe we could see something a bit different. Let's check the H4. Sometimes you see a nice setup on the higher time frame. You see, so like look on the H4, you see this nice continuation, and then look, you could see maybe like a potential flip. So like sometimes like you look at the higher time frame and you could get you get a better view. You know, so even a flip look nice, you know. So let's see where the flip is for potential buys. Maybe London Open can push volume through, you know. Nice little continuation. It's still in an uptrend, bro. It's still in an uptrend. H1, yeah. This level right here, retest. Yeah, so let's see what happens. Open to both. So we know like the H4 flip is up here. So if your candle can close up here, like London, like maybe 5 minutes before London Open, then yeah, like maybe could push through. Like, you know, yesterday we got volume on London Open, we got volume on New York. You know, the candle didn't pull back. So let's see. Maybe we can see what happened on the opening. But you know, this is a strong support right here. You know, just want to see what happened. Maybe you could get a nice, in 30 minutes, maybe you could get a nice candle like closing with a body, or like closing a body here. Like, you know, either is okay. How many minutes to London Open? Like 29 minutes. 29 minutes. Right now, 80 Swiss is looking good. You just need a nice little pullback on the 80 Swiss. By the way, they finally fixed the swing. They finally fixed the swing challenge account. But they moved it to Match Trader. I never used Match Trader before. So I gotta set that up. I didn't even remember to set it up. They've transferred it, and let's see if they updated the balance too. All right, so they transferred this thing to match it, so I gotta figure out how to get in on it, how to log in and stuff. Will 80 switch to a nice pullback? That's the question. Trying to figure out how to log in this thing. Stop empty files while we're all right, credentials. How come? Open Match Trader. Sign in for the mobile app. Let's see if this will work. Bro, look, a whole new platform, bro. I mean, this is a swing setup, so I mean, it's not like on Goldie where it gotta be like super quick, but I gotta get used to a whole new platform again. A whole new platform all over again. All right, so let's see. Good night, brother. Hey, almost good night, bro. Hey, bro, how is it? Mandala, what's up? Harris party, bro. You early today? Harris, you early today, bro? Bro, can you share your playlist? Yeah, I keep forgetting. I gotta share it in my I gotta share it in my let me see. Maybe there's a link right here. You like that playlist? Let's see. Gotta get used to. Let me see if I can paste it right here. Gotta get used to Match Trader, bro. I hate using new platform. They literally transferred um the thing from Match Trader to TradingView. What's this? Oh, TradingView integration. Okay, but do they have the same risk structure though? And how do you even remove this thing? I don't like seeing this. Crazy stuff on Match Trader right now, bro. Crazy stuff on Match Trader. What is happening to EU? AUD Swiss. No pullback on AUD Swiss. This was a breakout. So this is the thing with let's check GN on the higher picture. Yeah, so this is what this is what this is the first thing I had shared in the Telegram channel. See what's gonna happen on GN on the higher time frame. Like, you know, it's an uptrend, especially on the weekly. So I'm thinking maybe let's see what happened on GN. What happening right now, bro? Like on gold, just waiting for that. It's just in a bad spot right now. Just waiting for it to leave like this area. Waiting for it to leave this area. Can't do much on gold right now. Just looking at potential swing setups. Right now, 80 Swiss, a pullback would be amazing, but it's pushing. I think that's gonna that's unfortunate. An 80 Swiss, it just broke out, bro. That would have been a great setup right here. Nice continuation, like crazy stuff. Crazy stuff on 80 Swiss, bro. Let's see what happened to the NZD Swiss. So let's see. Yeah, if 80 Swiss don't pull back, there's a high probability NZD Swiss won't pull back. The thing is, NZD Swiss has more room. NZD Swiss has more room for potential continuation. Yeah. Do you think gold is setting up for a seller? Could be a potential fake out. Yeah, I think so too. Like I'm looking up for sells and buys. I'm looking up for both. I just for sells, I want to see clothes with a body down here. But like on the higher picture, like if you check the H1, like and the H4, this is a nice continuation too on the upside. If you check the H4, like this candle still has what 1 hour and 20 minutes. It can easily flip, and that would be a nice continuation. We can have a nice continuation. So you just got to see what happens. No pullback on AUD Swiss. So let's just this NTD Swiss. GN. GN is a spot right now where you gotta see. It's on weekly, like on the weekly, like this can reject at any point in time. So let's see what happened on GN. I'm gonna give it some more time before I start looking for potential buys, just to make sure it's not gonna reject. But I think right now GN, the buys are super strong. Nice. This is what I'm gonna do on GN, because overall, like this is bullish. Like, even though like you see this thing coming down, overall GN is bullish on a higher time frame. So this would be a cheeky reversal right here. So I'm gonna keep an eye on GN. You know, maybe do half the risk. But like on the daily, like I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Like even if you look at the weekly, You know, it's went up, pull back, went up, pull back. So let's see. I would want to see a strong resistance before I look for sells on G, and maybe this level, you know, like some strong resistance, and then I'll be looking for something on GN. Yeah. All right, NZD USD. Oh, bro, NZD USD was cheeky yesterday. Cheeky NZD USD. NZD USD pretended like it was going to break down here. I was looking at this and it came back up. You were like, okay, now it's going to collect, you know, this momentum to go up. Nah, bro, like the alert didn't go off. It came right back. Crazy stuff on NZD USD. Crazy stuff. USD CAD is like, USD CAD is like, gotta start fresh on USD CAD. Yeah, USD CAD right now, it's just not something too crazy. Just gotta get some levels in to see what's happening. Right, I want you to give me an answer to entertainment, please. It's boss queen. Hey, all right, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened, boss queen. Let's see. Pound CAD. All right, pound CAD. You know, bro, I still have faith in pound CAD. Still have faith in pound CAD. Still have faith in pound CAD, bro. It's going down. Like you could see the switch. You know, it's just a bit tough. The price action is a bit tough, but you could see like maybe it needs like proper restructure. But look, we're going up, and you could see the transition. It's going down, bro. Like I think pound CAD is going to be the play today. The CAD is going up, yeah. Like CAD is going up. CAD is going down. CAD is going down on one, and CAD is going up on another. So let's see. See what's happening on pound CAD, because pound CAD gonna be the play. I'm telling you. Someone reminded me of pound CAD. So let's see. We got a nice restructure on pound CAD too. Nice little swing. Let's try the edge for it. Shouldn't break. It's gonna go down. It shouldn't be coming back. Because this is resistance right here. So let's say, okay, it's gonna respect this level. Anything above this level, this resistance is not valid. You could maybe swing to this low down here, you know, for it to continue going down, because it's been making that lower high. You got, you know, right here, right here, right here, right here. So maybe make another one here. You know, it's going down. You could see the resistance, lower high, resistance. So I think it can continue going. It can continue going down. So we're gonna keep an eye on this pullback right here, because I might execute on this. This might be the play. Let's see. The daily was going down. Maybe can have a nice continuation. Yeah, it's looking good on the downside. Yeah, GCAD is looking good on the downside. There's a nice bear candle, like, you know. Just don't look like a market that's trying to go up right now. So I think it's a fair shot. So what I'm gonna do right now on GCAD, I'm gonna wait to see a nice little pullback. Let's see what happened. Okay, so let's see. 30 pips. Yeah, to how it's been moving, I want to give it like a nice restructure it. So even if it because if you look like the main resistance, it respect the previous. You know, it respect the previous. This one respected this. So I want to give it a nice restructure where even if it, you know, comes down and then come back up, it's going to respect, you know, the SL. You know, so I'm gonna set up this one right now. Okay, so let's see. So we got resistance here. Got some resistance here. Yeah, GCAD. We locked in on GCAD, bro. Want a nice pullback. I mean, it did do a pullback right here. It broke, and then it did this. But is that it? Is that it, or will this, you know, do another pullback? Is it gonna reject this level? I mean, I feel like it's been given like discounts. It's been given discounts. So let's see. All right, let's see. Much trader, bro. Got to figure out what's going on in this. Gold. Yeah, it's not. Still got 10 more minutes until London Open. Can't do anything on gold right now. Because anything right now is impulse. Can't do anything on gold right now, bro. Gotta wait. Even if it break right now, still gotta wait. Because you still got 10 more minutes. So this is impulse. This is an impulse entry right now. So gotta wait. So it's looking good though. Like a close right here with a body down here, like maybe a top wick. Maybe we could break through this level. Well, yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens with volume to break through this thing. Much trader, bro. What the heck? GBP CAD. Maybe I could use this as a reference for now. Maybe I could use this as a reference for the structure. So right now, like 220 pips. 220 pips. Um, 0.5. Okay, so right now 3.29. So let's see GCAD. Gotta be careful here because this platform is new. Okay, so let's see something on this thing. Okay, so discount is coming up. So the most you might have is like a liquidity up here, then it comes back down. So let's see. Let's see where let's see how far this pushes up, because this is good. Because this is a discount now, so let's see what happened. And we gotta look at this level too. This is a tough level. This is a tough level, so we gotta pay attention to this level. This is a tough level. Look at this level. Super tough level. But let's see. We got volume coming in. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta wait for this candle to close on gold. Yeah, let's see, H4. We got a crazy bull candle here too, so we gotta be careful right here. Gotta be careful. We got levels. We got this bull candle. So this can be a pullback too. So this would be just in the overall bias. I think it should be fine though. On the overall picture, I think it should be fine. Let's see the daily. Yeah, so basically like this would be like, okay, if it's gonna go down, it shouldn't break the daily high. So right here is like the daily high. It's gonna go down, it shouldn't break the daily high. So that's not bad. So let's see. Got London open in like 5 minutes too. Morning, brother. Morning, good people. Hey, Mario, let's go, bro. Morning, bro. Morning, bro. Morning. I don't think you're gonna get a better discount on GCAD. I don't think so. So we'll have to sacrifice where's that daily high? Daily high is right. Daily high is right here. So we have to respect the daily high to some extent. Target has to make sense. Restructure. Morning, bro. Mario, let's go. We got London open in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, London open. Yeah, so if this can close down here like below this, this level with a body, then I'll be interested with London volume. Maybe a nice top wick. I'm waiting on a top wick. Can't just execute off volume. Still need that top wick. Because even though yesterday New York session opened, no top wick, bottom wick, and then it went straight up. London opened with a tiny bottom wick and then it top wick and then it went down like so you're gonna have days when it opened, it made that top wick and then it go down. So I've seen that before, so I rather just wait on one thing and just stick to it. So I'm gonna wait on that top wick before I even think about and it has to close with a body, because if it don't close a body, then you got to deal with the previous wick and then you got to deal with this. You got to deal with this wick, and this is a crazy wick area too, so definitely want to wait for that extra top wick for it to flip. So that's what I'm waiting for right now on gold. If it goes up, then we gotta wait all over again because it's ranging. It's basically ranging right now. Basically ranging. So let's see. GCAD. Yeah. GCAD is tricky. Looking at GCAD is getting super tricky. So should be doing all this, but maybe a better discount. Let's see. Let's see. GN. I would want to see a pullback on GN, but it don't look like that is happening. 80 Swiss, no pullback. GN. No pullback, bro. Just left breakout. Breakout. NU breakout. Where's Roshan? Roshan love to trade USD CAD. He love to trade USD CAD, bro. GA. Damn. Yo, it's just breakout. Everything is just breaking out. Maybe go with breakout too. Maybe they got the algorithm, the AI on breakout. So let's see. Everything is breaking out. So gold is breaking out. Gold is gonna break out because everything is on breakout. This is a nice close for the next candle though. So let's see. Low key, like let's see. Let's get this set up. Nice. See what happened on the next candle. We got volume coming in. We got volume coming in 4 seconds. So let's see. Top wick. Will it do a nice top wick? Okay. You open with no bottom wick. Does it have that much volume? Does it have that much volume? So I'd want to see it break this wick here, honestly. If you can break that wick here, you could maybe have a SL like, it has to be like 20, 25 pips. Maybe 25 pips, just to make sure, because there's volume right now. If it comes back to, let's see, gotta be versatile with the restructure. So where's the opening of the wick? All right, so we got a top wick. Is it gonna leave a top wick and then flip? If this, like right now, if this flip to the opening, that's not bad. So I wouldn't want it to, got 24 pips, 22 pips. And then halfway would be, the opening would be like 12 pips. So I'd close half at like 12 pips. Because if it breaks its own low, it should continue breaking down. But if it comes back to its opening, I'm gonna close half. So let's see if it's gonna leave that nice top wick, or is it gonna just go back up in the range? Let's see. Let's see, will it have a nice flip? This would be like 23 pips SL. 230.5. If it can flip, break it slow, I think it should continue to push down. But it has to break it slow. And if it don't break this wick area, like I'm gonna be super aggressive with risk. If it flip, break it slow, like I'm gonna be super aggressive with risk. Because this wick area right here, like you gotta make sure like volume, like, you know, pushes past it. And then if it comes back to its opening, I just close like half and leave the other like 13 pips running, just to see if, you know, the next candle will respect this high. So that's the whole setup right now on Goldie. Market is not random. The banks know. Yeah, definitely not random. Definitely not random. The banks know. They got algorithms. I think they just got algorithms. The banks know exactly where the market is going. The only change happens is with the algos. Yeah, that will make random moves from X to Y to achieve volume. Yeah, definitely have algos. Definitely has algos. It's just like, you know, they find a way to like sync the algorithm on like all the time frames, all the, I don't know how they do it. Crazy algorithms they have. Crazy. So let's see 23 pips. Yeah, I'd want to see this flip to the downside, like flip, break it slow. If it can flip right now and break it slow, like, you know, it shouldn't be coming back at its own high. You got nice clean range down here. It just has to break this wick zone. So let's see what volume can do. Let's see what volume can do right now. Let's see what volume can bring. Can break it slow, like 23 pips. Yeah, 23 pips SL. If it comes back to its open, it close half the position. Yeah, and if it gets to like 15 pips right here, could put everything to break even. And then like 20 pips, maybe could leave like a nice little runner. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Will it break its own low? Because you got to think too, if it's going to go up, like this is crazy manipulation. You just got to see what volume brings. See what volume brings. GCAD, let's see what happened on GCAD. Going up. GCAD is interesting stuff on GCAD. Interesting stuff on GCAD. Will it flip? Will you flip Goldie? So I'm ready if you flip, bro. Oh, right there, it flipped. It flipped. It flipped right there. Okay, so let's see. If it goes back to its opening, I'm gonna toss half. Just like that. Just like that, I'm gonna toss half. So let's see what happens. Can it break this wick here though? That's the thing. Can it break? Is there enough volume or it's gonna go back up? Is there enough volume? So let's put the first SL right here. Yeah, I didn't break this here right here. Rejected. Rejected. Try to break it though. It tried. Let's see. If it gets down to this level, then I'm gonna put everything to the opening. We just gotta see the price action at this level. We got 5 more, 6 more, like 7 more minutes until the next 15-minute candle. The next 15-minute candle, you know, if this candle can hang around down here, the next 15-minute candle should do a way better job. So let's see what happens. It broke it, so that's a good sign. So right now, like the next SL, you know, I can start putting it where the next entry is. So right now this was 1%, so exposed to like 0.8% at the moment. 0.8%. So at this, if it gets to 15 pips, then I'll put both positions to a little above the entry, just to be fair, just to not be too aggressive. So let's see what happens. Hi Brad, good mood. Hey, what's up? What's your SL? Right here at this basically the wick of this candle. Basically the wick of this candle. So I want to see it get to 15 pips, so I can just not worry about the risk. That's the aim right now. So it shouldn't be coming back to the opening. So that's my plan. It shouldn't be coming back to the opening. If it comes back to the opening, like, it's not valid no more. So let's see. At 20 pips, I'm gonna close one position and then leave the rest to run. So let me secure some profit right here. So now the next one, I'm gonna put the entry to break even. So right now this is at break even. So let's see what happens. Maybe at 25 pips, I close some more partials, like 30 pips. Yeah, 30 pips, I'll close some more partials. Because I only closed 50%, so I still got to close like 25% partial close. So if I close half of this, then that will leave 25%. So that's 2.2. Yeah, so I'm gonna just leave this running. I started to do something a long time ago that I believe it could help some traders out there. Try and put your SL. Try to put your sell or buy order when you used to put your SL, and will be surprised. Yeah, I heard that before. So let's see if this runner can pay off. Let's see. Just close like probably like 70%. Left the rest at break even, just in case it decides to, like, you know, start crashing. So let's see if the runner can play off today. Let's see if the runner will pay off. The next candle needs support. This candle needs to stay up for the next like 4 hours. Great sell GGA, let's go. Yeah, this was a tough spot, but you know, like, you just got to make sure you stick to the plan. The best part is just having a whole plan. That's the thing. Just got to make sure you have a plan. So maybe at like this support, you can close another 50% of the partials, you know, just to see what happened. So let's see. Roger took the trade with while taking a call. He's live. He took the same trade. He's live. Raja is live. Yeah. Definitely a good way for this candle to close. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, so just gonna leave a runner right now. Just gonna leave a runner right now. So let's see what happened. But if you're looking for sells, it was definitely right here at this moment. So now we gotta wait for, you know, maybe some resistance for price to continue going down. Let's check GCAD, because I'm still interested in GCAD. But I mean, got distracted on gold. That's what happened on GCAD right now. Because that was a discount. Bro, it literally tapped that line. Liquidity literally tapped that line, bro. That was the best discount, bro. Came back right up to this wick area and then rejected. So I'm probably just wait on another pullback or something on GCAD, bro. It's still valid though. It's not gone. It's still got, like, you know, still got a lot of room left. Let's see. Just don't want to cheat the SL. That's the thing. Don't want to cheat the SL. I really don't want to cheat the SL, bro. Because where's the daily? Let's use the H4. Yeah, let's see. You don't want to cheat the SL and then, like, the risk structure gets messed up. But I might just execute on GCAD right here on this break. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then if it break this, bro, it shouldn't break this current candle. Then if it break this current candle, then I'm gonna probably just be aggressive with closing. Yeah. So let's see, how many pips? 32. Why is it more this time? 0.5, 2.26. Yeah, man, I don't know, bro. 2.6. Did you miss the discount up here? Like, the better deal was right here, bro. Right after that bear candle rejection, that was a better deal. Here it's just like, okay, you know, you're going with the volume, you're going with the trend. I don't know, bro. I like getting that discount, but I think I missed it. But I think we missed it again, bro. Like, that was a discount. I don't know. Let's see what happens. You never know, bro. Sometimes you think you miss a trade and it comes back. You know, like, you don't want to have FOMO. You got to make sure you respect the structure, bro. So right now, gold is just a runner. We're not thinking about gold. We just got to see what happens. Got to focus on GCAD. Got to try to get that discount on GCAD. Have to, bro. Have to. But you don't want to chase it at the same time. You know, you got to find a nice balance. Because the more you chase it, the worse the stop loss is going to get than the target. And you're only going to chase it only to get your target reversed at the end. So everything has to make sense. So right now, like, the new H4 candle is gonna come in like 40 minutes. In 40 minutes, you're gonna have the new H4 candle. So this might be a good opportunity right here. So maybe if you can get a nice pullback, like whatever pullback happens right here, bro, like, you know, I'm in 32 pips. Yeah, 30 minute, 1 hour. Then I could be like, okay, shouldn't break this level right here. And then it could probably close half. Could close half if it, you know, comes above this current bear candle. Yeah, it's too locked in on gold, bro. Didn't see it. Missed it. It's locked in on Goldie. Let's see. Maybe the next candle can get a discount. Just right here, because the discount is done. So right now it's just a pullback, because the discount is done. There's no more discount, bro. You're not gonna get anything better than that bull. So you just have to execute right now. I'm just trying to See if I can get a, you know, just a little pullback, because this gap here makes a huge difference between, you know, TP or price just reversing 1 to 2 right here. So let's see. If it comes back above this level, bro, like aggressive 50%, or maybe just toss it. Because this candle, like, it shouldn't come back up here, you know? So let me see, just the smallest pullback. Just the smallest pullback, bro, just to see what happened, you know? Just the smallest pullback. Yeah, let's see what happened. I'm gonna set a nice little alert just to see if we can get, like, you know, something. Can't chase price because you're gonna get messed up. That was a discount though. Kind of disappointing, but let's see. GCAD, yeah. Yeah, morning. Hey, Jay, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Let's see Goldie. Okay, so gold is, you know, we are break even right here, but that's fine. That's fine. Because sometimes, you know, you get that runner, and the other time you don't. So you just gotta accept that. Damn, GCAD, bro, chill. NZD Swiss. NZD Swiss. I mean, GCAD, like, GCAD has huge potential. GCAD has huge potential for like a new low, like, you know, can come all the way down here. Like, for the rest of the week, it's looking good, like, you know, so just gotta get that nice entry. Let's see, maybe it will pull back as aggressive as how it's been pulling back. Because if you look at it, like, you know, it did this pull back deep, it pushed crazy, pull back super deep, push crazy. So maybe pull back super deep again, and on that next pullback, then it could get something, you know, anything up here, then, you know, just use the restructure to got it. Maybe we won't get the perfect entry, but let's see. I must have that alert right here though. You know, like 30 pip stop loss. So let's see. Probably do, you know, I'm gonna do 1% on, actually 0.5 on the swing. Can't do 1% until I get this thing more. AD Swiss is doing a nice pullback, but the thing is, the target is the issue. The target is the issue. Let's see what happened on AD Swiss and NZD Swiss. NZD Swiss is doing a pullback, so this is good. This is good stuff on NZD Swiss. Nice little pullback. Maybe it won't come all the way, but let's see. Let's see price action. Let's see price action on shouldn't break its own high. That's the first thing. If it's gonna go down, it shouldn't break its own high. So that's the first setup. That's the first thing. Outs. Yeah, let's see. Oh, it's still in. A lot of potential fake outs. Oh, yeah. What's that GCAD? Your goal about to hit break even right here. So when stuff like this happen, you don't want to keep the original SL. Just do break even. Tomorrow the runners will work out. You know, the runner is not going to work out every time, but when they do, trust me, it's going to be really rewarding. So let's see. Let's see what happened here. How much should we close out? Okay. So close out almost 2%. Risk 1%. Closed out, well, no, not 2%. Maybe like 0.8, 0.7. So let's see. A lot of potential fake outs. Let's see. GCAD. Oh, GCAD did that pullback. Okay. We got to lock in on GCAD right now. GCAD is crazy. So let's see, yeah. So that first bear candle, the first bear candle that closes, then I'll be interested. Wherever that bear candle closes. Basically, I want to see it close like, you know, this. So whenever that happens, I'm locked in. I'm locked in. Yeah, you don't want to chase because see, like if you know you felt like you were missing out, and then you know it's just pulling back. So when that happened, you enter, and then when you enter, that's when it decided to break the previous and just you know go through all this stuff. So this is good stuff right here. This is good stuff right here. So let's see. Still believing in the overall market structure on GCAD right here.
Hey,
You know.
in case nobody's asked you this today, are you okay? Are you really fine? I mean, you know it's okay to feel a little off sometimes.
Yeah, we don't want to hear that stuff. Let's see. This is a key area. This is a key level right here. Key. So I think that it should be safe right here. But let's see. Let's see what happened. Need a beer candle. Need a beer candle. Beer. Gold. Oh, gold is still going down. Gold is still going down. Yeah, maybe the next candle can make a top wick and then continue filling this range. But that was a decent gold sell though. You know, it was a tough spot. This range, you know, waited for the candle to close with a body. Made a top wick, flip, break it slow. And then the rest was just managing risk. You know, you close 80%, 75% to see if you can get to 1.5%, 2%. So that's the whole thing. Because at one point this was up a whole another at least 800 or so. But I mean, tomorrow's another day. You gotta take it one step at a time. Because if you gotta think about it. If you make 0.8% today, no, tomorrow I'm gonna risk 0.5%. See that? Tomorrow I'm gonna risk 0.5%. So risk 0.8 today. Risk 1 today. Made 0.8. Runners didn't work out. So I'm gonna secure this. I'm gonna make sure tomorrow I risk 0.5%. And if tomorrow I win that trade, the next day I go back to 1%. But if I lose this 0.5%, the next day I continue with 0.5%. You know, until I win that trade, and then I can go back to 1%. So you got to be able to understand when to change your lot size to. You know, you don't want to lose 0.5 and then do 1%. It's better to go down when you win or lose and just give it time, you know? So that's what I'm doing right now. Tomorrow gonna be 0.5. Because when you do increase it, like if this trader, continue going down like the other setups, then that would, I could, if this gets to 206, then I could be solid on 1%. And I would have a buffer, to speed things up. So, you don't want to mess around with your lot size too much, trying to chase price. So that's the whole thing. Bear candle, solid bear candle. NZD Swiss. So I'm keeping an eye on NZD Swiss too, to see where will it, do a nice pullback. Let's check the overall picture on USD Swiss. Let's see the overall picture on USD Swiss. Like a huge range right here. Your AUD. Let's see your AUD. I want your AUD to go up. Your AUD is looking good, bro. Someone was in your AUD since yesterday too. This came down, like, bro, I think the next H4 candle in 30 minutes can continue pushing up, bro. So we locked in on EA. We still have it on tag right here. We locked in on EA, bro. Yeah, we locked in on EA, bro. Locked in on EA. This is, look, it was coming down, like, look. It was doing this crazy stuff, bro. Look at that. Resistance. 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 Even right here. Resistance. Resistance. This is the first time we broke resistance. This candle broke this level, bro. So, we could push past here now. So we can see what's happening. So that's what I'm seeing on Euro 80, bro. Broke this level right here. This resistance got broken right here. Disrespected structure. So this is the beginning for this push to come up here. The next H4 candle is looking like a nice continuation, bro. So let's see what happened on EA. This candle closes in 30 minutes. So let's see what can happen. If this candle can close bullish, that's a W for EA. GCAD, let's see. Okay, so this candle should finish the job. If it's gonna go down, this candle should finish the job, bro. This candle should finish the job. Partials got stopped out, barely got stopped out. So, a few pips can make the difference between 1%, 0.5%, a few pips. Pip or two can make the difference between, so you got to be locked in with the risk structure properly to the T. Don't underestimate your SL. Like having your SL at 13 pips versus 15 pips can make the whole difference between you ending up in a roller coaster. Because that's what's gonna get you, Let's see. See what's going on TikTok, bro. GCAD. EA. Lots of fake out today. Next move on gold. Right now, this move is still happening, bro. So it's just a continuation at this point. But you don't want to I don't usually after the fact I don't usually execute on this. I mean, I've seen Roger executed on these before, but I don't like. I feel like at this point, it's, you already missed it. This is just a continuation for the first push. This is the range right here. This was a nice 52 pip range. So, you just gotta wait over here. Yeah, so let's see if we can break this low. It should continue going down. But the whole trade is not this. This is not the whole trade. This is different from when it break. There should be more volume, more volume up here than right here. Because this is late. This happened earlier, so even though this make like a top wick, and it's gonna flip, break, it's different. So you can't just look around for this setup. You gotta wait until it break a zone. This one is different from even when it creates support. This is a different setup. This is one setup, and this is another setup. This setup is for when it's ranging, so it's different. Right here, you could wait for this bottom wick, wait for the flip. Maybe on the 50-minute, you could see something here. Another candle that makes sense. Gold time frame, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 30 minute, bro. Probably got some people still holding these cells. Lock in on GCAD. Don't want to miss GCAD again. Okay, so this time it's pulling back deeper. Crazy stuff on GCAD. So I don't know. I don't like this price action. I'm gonna be real. It's gonna do this and then do that and then do. Yeah, this is just gotta keep an eye on it. EA is looking good though, bro. Like this next candle, start breaking highs, bro. Start breaking highs, start smashing highs. GN, yeah, 80 Swiss, NZD, USD, GA. Can GA pull back? Oh, rejected this support, this resistance. Let's see. Because if this is a continuation, it shouldn't be breaking its own low. That's the whole idea too. You can see every day we see the pattern, it's going up, it makes support, it break, so we gotta just see. Levels are meant to be broken, so you can't be too scared of levels. You just gotta manage risk. So right now on GA is not looking bad. You know, it broke out, did a pullback. You know, so just got to see what can happen right here. The tough part is the restructure. That's the tough part. The new H4 will be opening in 30 minutes. So if the new H4 open and that H4 will make a bottom wick, then if it's gonna go up, guess what? It shouldn't break the low of this current H4. So that's how, like, you know, you can manage risk. Because if you're gonna put it down here, then if price comes down here, like at that point, it's not looking good. So you want to put it where, you know, you don't want to put it too close. You just want to put it somewhere where it makes sense. So I think like right here makes sense. The next candle, if the next candle is going to pull back, it shouldn't pull back 80%, 70% of this current candle. So that's what I like to use to like just have an idea, you know, because it usually would respect the low, you know, respect the low of the previous candle. So I'd say like, you know, like 70%, shouldn't come back 7%. Because you're going to need this, bro. Like you need this TP. You don't want to get caught up in a reversal. So, you know, I'm gonna wait until 30 minutes. See what happened on either GA or GCAD. GCAD is just like, but we got GA, so let's see. Oh, gold. Damn. See that, bro? Like, runner barely got stopped out to like 2 pips. A pip or 2 stopped out the runner. Bro, right here, they've closed a whole nother 80% or 50% of the runner. Crazy. Please, gold, bro. We already executed on gold right here. The whole setup. Right now, bro, there's nothing on gold. It's at support. You gotta wait all over again for a new setup. There's nothing on gold, bro. I promise you, bro. Can't do anything on gold, bro. The move is done. He closed right here with a body, made a top wick, flipped, executed. Like, you know, closed 70%, came back to break even, stopped out runner. Now it's just like if you had runners or you in sales, like you just gotta wait on structure and gold right now. It's done, bro. You gotta wait maybe until like an hour. You're gonna see something, bro. You're gonna see something. But there's nothing on gold right now. Gold is done, bro. Like any sell, you're at support. Any buys, price is going down. Morning G. Hey, what's up, bro? Yeah, one sell right here, bro. Took one sell here. You can go back to 330. Go back to this candle, bro. You are inspiring, beautiful, wonderful, and kind person. I wait for you every day to enjoy trading with you in the same way you are wonderful. Hey, moi.